Hello everyone. So I'm back to recap my day 17. It was day 17, 2016 August. Uh, so I don't know why my video today is bit blurry. I'm using the same setup, but okay, no idea. So whatever. So as I told you yesterday, I was working on a new process to follow, and I even came back on Insta, and I was trying to make things work. So I will try to recap. I was trying new things today. I did some work. I cleared my backlog today. So I haven't tried new things, but at least I don't have a backlog also. So that was a tough task. So I kept myself a bit chill today. I worked for around, let's set. I woke up at 10:30. I did my some work from 10:53 to 11:12. I set to work on development at 11:12. From then, I was working till 6 in the evening, in which I tried to follow this a technique called Pomodoro technique, in which I'm not sure if that's what it's called. If I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but who cares? So it's a Pomodoro technique in which you take consistent breaks according to your needs and work. So if since it was around I set at work at around 6:11 and I worked till 6, so it was around 7 hours. So basically I worked for in those 7 hours I worked for around 5 hours 5 hours 5 hours 30 minutes or 20 minutes around I worked. So in the 7 hours I worked for around 5 hours 30 minutes, in which the break was calculated. So that's what I worked on. What I worked on today was I tried a dynamic table assignment that I had to do, and I also made this converter from GB to that converts numerical value of GB to its equivalent in MB or KBs. That converter I made through JavaScript. And or other thing that I did was then I did some stuff related to jQuery. Tried a bit of it, cleared some past backlogs, and that's it. Per day consuming it. I didn't work that much because I'm also trying to follow this new process, and I haven't made any timeless videos also because I needed my phone to try out these new things. So I don't know if I'm trying to work out this thing where we record a screen record, and I can show when I'm working. I can show my screen that I'm working on this. So I'm hopeful that it will help me also, since I know that you guys will be seeing it. But I don't know how to do that. So I will have to take time to figure out how to do that. Until then, I'm trying to get through this new process that I'm using, and I'm trying. I went to gym today. Uh, it's 16 hours, so we had gym. I had gym today, right? And I'm struggling. I started the Instagram yesterday. It was a bit happy. I felt a burnt out last night and night. Today I felt a bit okay. I even used Instagram in between, so I felt okay. But as the day came to end and I didn't have had any work to do, the Instagram kind of got overpowered me, and I'm making this video at 1:50. I should have made it way earlier. And at some point, I was even feeling that I shouldn't do it. It's 1:51. I should have slept. It's already starting to mess up. It's giving me good pleasure, keeping me occupied, but it's also taking control over me. And so since I want to incorporate in my life, I have to do it. Since I had to be, I had to be up to date with the tech. So I can't totally ignore it. I have to keep it part. It's part of life now. I have to. I don't want to be controlled, but I have to control it. Let's see how I incorporate this. I hope this new process that I'm working on will help me out. And I worked for around 5 hours, 30 minutes today. So I hope I start. I'm aiming at 8 hour bracket. 8 hour bracket. I haven't been able to reach it. If I'm not able to reach that 8 hour bracket, I'm aiming for 48 hours a week. I haven't able to achieve that yet now, but I don't know why I have this feeling that it's achievable this week. Maybe I'm calculating it wrong or what. I'm just having making some estimations. But since the start of this first 2 days of this, I have a feeling that okay, this can be made possible this time. But just when I was so sure, I wasted a whole last day. So suddenly I'm just in a setback. Earlier I had a free day, now I'm in a setback. So now for my next 2 days, I have to work very hard to make this 48-hour bracket work. And to be honest, I don't want to make this video right now. I'm just doing to push myself because I have to do it because it's a discipline. Because I'm already lacking on meditation. I haven't meditated whole this week. Why? Because at some point I was so cluttered with things that I felt that I don't have time. And after some time, when I made a process, I feel that I don't want to put extra burden on myself. So yeah, backing on that meditation thing also, and I should I should include it again. And I can't think of anything to say because I don't feel I worked anything much. I just worked on some small modules and they consumed all my time today. And what else to say? I don't have any much more anything than this to say. It's day 17. I hope the day 18 will be better. I just got to figure out how to sleep on time and wake up on time. That basically covers most of the things. So yeah, thank you. See you soon.